Yeah, we came to the botanical garden and the zoo here at Brooklyn 6. I was expecting to see a few little plant gardens, but none of them I did so with the plants. You can see here, this awesome guy that was president for 40 years, but he was just mentioning this one here, this tree. As you say, opposite side there, you're saying like if the tree breaks off or if there's any disease that gets on the inside, he's got to clean all the dead bark and the disease out of here and then use cleaning to clean the wood so that way the disease and fungal doesn't spread and continue. But yeah, as you can see, this tree looks like it's gone through like a lightning strike or something all the way through the wood. All the way up to the corner. This is going to be one of my favorite bonsai trees that I've seen here so far. And I haven't even seen it yet. And definitely really good job. Like I said, 40 years experience on pruning all these trees. You know, and the way he's pruned it, all the different cloud effects all the way up. You can see the inside here, this is all dead wood in here. And then just a little bit of the skin on the outside is what transfers the nutrients up the tree. You know, some people like to fund all the berries coming down and we got like a little forest on the side, a couple different trees, just like that. And again, same idea this here. The inside all dead on the one side there, and just the one side of the tree there is the part that's actually taking up the nutrients. I like when they do like a little mini forest like this on the trees, like the one in the middle here too. Like a miniature forest, couple different trees in one pot. And these bonsai pots too. I mean, we don't see pots like this back in Vancouver. You can see on the just through there the 3 different bamboo. But look at the pot there. Look how thin that pot is. There's really nothing there to hold the soil. And then he was saying he actually adds all these moss in here, so he puts all the moss and plants in there. Part of like a water feature almost in the bottom. It's got lots of the water on the one side, land on the other side. Looks like water, what we call, I think, water lettuce or water hyacinth. Or not hyacinth, I think it's just the water lettuce that we use in Vancouver for like our summer one, like in the summertime for our annuals. It's like a water plant. It adds some really nice color there in the bottom. And then this one here, it's basically sitting on a shallow dish, creates a little kind of forest effect and a pathway going up there, a little temple in there as well. So we're definitely trying to get some ideas over here too to bring back home with us and try to do some plants if we can, but I don't know where to find pots like this, how thin they are, and also because we have our plants inside 12 months a year here. And again, as we move on, we're kind of going back more into like a wetland down here other than the bonsai pot. We want a little bit more water. This tree is branched to grow downwards other than growing up, and the same idea of the cloud effects. Little things that we find as we're coming here. Not quick tour of this little bonsai garden on the town, and hope you guys like the video as well as much as I do, and we just, you know, share some information with the gardener here and what he does and how he prunes everything. Yeah. As we go through the zoo here, we'll go through more gardens as we go through. This one here, this one tree, this by itself, and it's got a little pom-pom on top. It's got like a wind strip, like it's going through a really bad windfall. Yeah, that's something we like to do, and we'll catch up on you on the next one. Look at the palm here, just sitting there on top of the ladder rock. And then this one here almost kind of looks like a rhododendron tree, with fuzzy, soft leaves on it. Yeah, these are just like smaller ones compared to the ones you see people driving around on the back of the truck. These are all shorter ones, but yeah, like I said, the ones we see people driving along, delivering on some of the big hotel offices, they're massive. I mean, I don't know how they survive these kinds of costs. I mean, you can look at those ones on that side. These ones again, like look at this little cloud you create, running along, floating just above the water. Zoo/botanical